Former South African cricket star Herschelle Gibbs has slammed India for politicizing the game of cricket. In a tweet, he exploded over Indian conspiracies against the Kashmir Premier League. Herschelle Gibbs has exposed India propaganda and conspiracies against the Kashmir Premier League. Gibbs said it is completely unnecessary for India to bring its political agenda with Pakistan into the equation. He said the Indian Cricket Board is trying to prevent him from participating in the KPL. Gibbs added that BCCI is threatening him, saying they won't allow him entry into India for any cricket-related work. The South African cricketer is currently serving as the coach of Pakistan's Super League's franchise, Karachi Kings. Meanwhile, Pakistan has condemned the Indian attempts to politicize the game. In a tweet, Information Minister Fawad Chaudhry slammed the Modi government for jeopardizing cricket for its nefarious politics. Foreign Office spokesperson Zahid Hafiz Chaudhry also termed the move unfortunate and regrettable. For more on this, we are joined by Leena Aziz, sports analyst from Islamabad. Thank you for your time. Ms. Leena, former South African cricket star Herschelle Gibbs has slammed India for politicizing the game of cricket. India's propaganda campaign against Pakistan and its sports event has once again been exposed by an international cricketer. What is your take on this?
Yeah, I think Herschelle Gibbs is absolutely right when he says that the game shouldn't be politicized and India shouldn't, stoop to such small level, gossip kind of thing, But then India is always known to have done that with Pakistan. Even the 2009 attack against the Sri Lankans, I mean, many suspected that India had its hidden hand in that whole event, unfortunate event. But right now, I mean, with this Kashmir League, it's not such a big league. It's only starting. India shouldn't say anything to any player. But the name Kashmir, I think, sort of makes them to do things that they shouldn't be doing. And of course, as you know, that Herschelle Gibbs works for Karachi Kings in the PSL. And Indians have been previously also trying to blackmail players not to come to PSL. And if they come to PSL, they won't let them play the IPL, which is much more lucrative than the PSL. But then that didn't work, and that was kind of sorted out. But once again, they're stooping to such, such mean sort of propaganda, and it shows how small-natured they are. Because it shouldn't affect them at all. I mean, Kashmir League is something which is just starting. It is just basically to benefit the people of Kashmir and more earnings for players. Although in hindsight, I feel that the Pakistan didn't need a Kashmir League. Easily, Pakistan could have added a Kashmir team to the existing PSL. And that is just my view, other than what India said. What India said, I very strongly condemn it.
Right. Ms. Leena, Herschelle Gibbs says the BCCI has threatened to ban his entry into India for any cricket-related work if he joins the Kashmir Premier League. Isn't it against the international cricket rules?
Yeah, well, first of all, it's against human rules. I mean, human beings shouldn't be blackmailing people. If anything, a big organization like the Indian Cricket Board shouldn't be blackmailing players on such small things. It's a trivial matter, and they shouldn't be doing that. It just only reflects very, very badly on a board led by a great like Ganguly. I mean, Ganguly, Sourav Ganguly is a great guy, and I didn't expect such such kind of mean statements coming out of an Ganguly-led cricket board. I mean, I am really saddened.
Right, Leena. In 2019, India militarized the game after its players wore army camouflage caps during a match against Australia. Now, India is threatening international players for joining the Kashmir Premier League. Can India face sanctions by ICC for its actions against sports?
Well, it will largely depend upon the Pakistan Cricket Board. If they take the case to the ICC and take it strongly, and they don't take their foot off the pedal, because Pakistanis are known to take their foot off the pedal. They take up a case very strongly, and in a few days it will disappear, or they would let the Indians would also pressurize the ICC and Pakistan would take their foot off the pedal. I suggest that the Pakistan Cricket Board, led by Mr. Mani, should take up this case very strongly to the ICC and not take take their foot off the pedal. Keep pressurizing the ICC to take a justified decision on that. They should not succumb to the Indian pressure, and the Pakistan Cricket Board should be relentless in taking this case up to the ICC and keep pressurizing the ICC till a just decision comes their way in favor of Pakistan.
Leena Aziz, thank you for speaking to Indus News.